Here's the Case 9270 four-wheel drive tractor. It's selling April 4th of 2014 for Robert Moffat of Abernethy, Saskatchewan. Now this Case International 9270 is pulling the 40-foot Morse air drill, double chute, triple compartment. It's got the 8336 air cart. Just a nice unit that's selling at Abernethy, Saskatchewan. If you can't make it to Abernethy, Saskatchewan, go to MackAuctionCompany.com or BidSpotter.com and you can bid live that day of the sale. That's the 9270 pulling the 40-foot Morse air drill with the 8336 air cart. Nice unit, April 4th, 2014.